English Speaking Practice for Beginners EP.02. Can you tell me how to get to the library? Go straight and turn right at the corner. Is it far from here? No, it's only a 5-minute walk. Can you help me, please? Sure. What do you need? I don't understand this question. Let me explain it to you. How are you feeling today? I feel much better, thank you. Do you have a headache? Yes, a little bit. Do you know how to cook? Yes, I can cook a few dishes. Can you teach me? Sure. Let's start with something simple. What do you think I should do? I think you should talk to your teacher. Can you recommend a good restaurant? Yes, there's a great Italian place nearby. Congratulations on your new job. Thank you so much. You did so well on your exam. Thanks. I worked really hard for it. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. What's your dog's name? His name is Max. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I do. Did you hear about the new shopping mall? No, I didn't. Where is it? It's opening next week. That's great. Do you like watching football? Yes, I love it. Who is your favorite team? I like Manchester United. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. Can you play any instruments? Yes, I can play the guitar. What do you think of this dress? I think it looks great on you. Do you like this song? Yes, it's very catchy. What are you studying? I'm studying English. Do you like your classes? Yes, they're very interesting. Do you use social media? Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook. What kind of phone do you have? I have an iPhone. Have you ever been to Paris? No, but I'd love to visit someday. What's your favorite place to travel? I love going to the mountains. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Lily. How long have you known her? I've known her for 10 years. What did you do last weekend? I went to the park with my family. Did you have fun? Yes, it was great. Do you shop online? Yes, I do. It's very convenient. What's the last thing you bought online? I bought a new pair of shoes. Why are you learning English? I need it for my job. How do you practice speaking? I talk to friends and use online apps. When is your birthday? My birthday is on March 15th. How do you celebrate your birthday? I usually have a small party with friends. What's your daily routine? I wake up at 7 a.m., go to work, and come home at 6 p.m. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I love it. What's your major? I'm studying business management. How do you like your university? It's great. The teachers are very helpful. What's your favorite place to visit in your city? I love going to the park. Why do you like it? It's peaceful and beautiful. Have you ever traveled abroad? Yes, I went to Singapore last year. How was it? It was amazing. Do you like reading books? Yes, I read every night before bed. What's your favorite book? I love Harry Potter. See you again in the next clip.